innocence, they've got the guilty. So many reasons have come to my mind. Reliability within the distress, some of the principles of people in this time. The politicians inside the government are getting power right inside our home. Let's be suspicious and being intelligent to voting someone that is the right one. So why don't you talk now to me and tell me that you're not, tell me that you're not the one. So why don't you talk now to me, tell me the truth that you are a robber. Oh, let me see what I'm losing, my friend. Oh, let me see the regret of we were men. Oh, let me see what I'm losing, my friend. I'm coming to my point of view. They've got the guilty. So many reasons have come to my mind. Reliability within the distress, some of the principles of people in this time. The politicians inside the government are getting power right inside our homes. Let's be suspicious and be intelligent to voting someone that is the right one. So why don't you talk now to me and tell me that you're not, tell me that you're not the one. So why don't you talk now to me, tell me the truth that you are a robber. Oh, let me see what I'm losing, my friend. Oh, let me see the regret of we were men. Oh, let me see what I'm losing, my friend. He has to tell me what is my point of view. I'll say what I know. You're tapping and listening my telephone. So tell me the truth that you are a robber. Oh, let me see what I'm losing, my friend. Oh, let me see the regret of we were men. Oh, let